I ain't looking forward to getting out this fucking shit. I gotta go out back out here again at 2 o'clock. I gotta be right back out here at 10 after, but I gotta be there till 4. But you know, I guess like I said, we go to work for nothing all the time, baby. We gotta turn around and pay our money for bills and shit. And I, you know, in order to keep my job, I guess, if I have to get a ride to work, that's what I'm gonna do. Get some money and go to and from work. It's crazy. And you know what? I can, like I said, I guess they got me working extra hours, so, you know. Hell no, I do not want to go to work today. Fucking, not that I don't want to go to work, I just don't want to go out here in the rain to go to work. But I'm going to be back after these messages, but I hope y'all enjoyed watching what the weather looks like. Like I said, you guys got snow up there in Ohio, but me, and you especially got to get out here walking and shit. You don't want to be walking in the damn rain. I mean, at least snow is solid. Yeah, even if it's snowing, I'd get somebody to take me. But anyway, get back at everybody later. Peace.